Heartiest welcome to all of you, those who are want to learn spoken English. Okay, before I start, I want to remind you not to force you to learn spoken English with us. Okay, because very soon I will go to start spoken English batch at Panishala. If you relatives of Panishala, okay, if you are belong from Panishala, you also contact with us. Okay, if you interest, okay, always remember this statement. I remind you not to force you to learn spoken English with us. Okay, if you really interest with us spoken English, do contact with this number. Okay, 6296840160, or do WhatsApp. You can also do WhatsApp on this number 6296840160. Okay, I hope তুমি যা আহ, মানে পাওয়ার আর কি সব কিছু পাবে। ওকে, তো যদি শিখতে ইচ্ছুক হও তাহলে অবশ্যই কন্ট্যাক্ট করতে পারো, আশা করি হেল্পফুল হবে। এইটুকু আমি ভরসাটা করতে পারি আর কি অ্যাকচুয়ালি। ওকে, সো ইফ ইউ ইন্টারেস্ট ডু কন্ট্যাক্ট। ওকে, সো উইথাউট ফার্দার টক্স I have concluded. Okay, if you found this video is helpful, do share with your friends. Okay, do share and like if you helpful. If you helpful by this initiative, okay, new initiative, do press the like button and do share with your friends. Okay, so with this I have concluded. Okay, with this initiative I have concluded. Okay, I hope this initiative is good for you, actually those who are want to learn spoken English. Okay, so without further talks I have concluded. Okay, okay, take care and take care of yourself and take care of your family. Okay, that's it. Okay, take care.